children, welcome to today's GK class. Children, today's topic is very interesting. Today we will learn about games, indoor games and outdoor games. Today we will also learn about our toys also, which you love to play with, isn't it? So children, let's start. Children, now bring my picture book. Children, now open page number 22. Lesson number 14 is about our toys. We all love to play with toys, isn't it? You all love toys. So children, now look at this picture. Look at this page. There are so many pictures of different types of toys. See, this is a rocking horse. This is ball, teddy bear, cricket set with a bat, ball and stumps. This is a doll, girl's favorite, car with remote control. Children, see. This is a robot, blocks, helicopter, drum and a tricycle. So now keep in mind, we love to play with toys, isn't it children? You always ask your mommy papa to get you a new toy on your birthday, on special days, isn't it? Toys should not have sharp edges. See children, sometimes some toys are very dangerous which has sharp edges. So always play with the toys which are safe. Okay. We should not put toys in our mouth. Children, toys are to play. Okay. Don't eat it. Don't put it in your mouth. Otherwise you will get many infections. Okay. Now children, tell us, does your sister play toys with you? Yes or no? You have to tick in this square. So if it is yes, you have to put a tick on yes. And if it is no, you have to put a tick on no. Children, as you know, we all love to play with toys. So we should share them also, okay, with our sister, with our brother. So in that way, you will have more fun, you will have more toys, isn't it? Sharing is caring. And children, we all love to play with different types of toys. So girls like dolls and boys, they like to play with cars and robots, and some of you also like to build different types of things with the help of these blocks. So children, if you will play together with your toys, you will have more fun, isn't it? Okay, now children, we will do fun to do activity. On page number 23, children, you have to do fun to do. Match the clothes with their name. You have to match. Okay, now see. Tie. Where is tie? You have to match it like this. Cap. Cap is here. T-shirt. Where is t-shirt? T-shirt is here. Frock. Frock is here. Socks. And then sweater. In this way, you have to finish. First, match the clothes with their name. Now, second one is circle the toys you like to play with. Children, in this exercise, you have to circle the toys you like to play with. See, for example, I like car with remote control. See, so you have to circle it like this. You can circle more than one. Okay, like some of you like to ride a tricycle, so you can circle it like this. In this way, you have to finish this page. Children, after that, turn the page and come to page number 24. Now, indoor games. The games which we play in our house are known as indoor game, or the games which are played in a room, they are also known as indoor games. Alright, now see, some of them are chess, carrom board, this I like very much, Ludo, you all know, isn't it? Ludo is very interesting. I love Ludo. This is snakes and ladders, which we say Saap Seedi, isn't it? This is table tennis. This is bowling. This game is also played it is also an indoor game. This is billiard, or we also say it's snooker. Isko snooker bhi bolte hain. This is cards and video game, which you all love, and it is played on computer. Children, keep in mind, games that we play inside the house are called indoor games. We should not cheat while playing a game, isn't it? आपको cheating नहीं करनी चाहिए game खेलते हुए. Always be fair. Okay. Now, tell us, tick on your favorite game. See, there are pictures of so many different types of games, indoor games. See, this is a chess. This is snakes and ladders. This is carom board and this is Ludo. So you have to tick. See, my favorite is Ludo. So I am putting tick here. And which one is your favorite? You have to put tick in the given square. Okay. Children, after that, come to page number 25. Outdoor games. Games that we play outside the house are called outdoor games. These games require bigger area. Okay, इनको एक रूम में या घर में हम नहीं खेल सकते, इनके लिए बहुत बड़ी जगह की जरूरत होती है. So they are known as outdoor games. See, cricket. Cricket we play in a playground, isn't it? And same with football. This is a football game. Hockey. Hockey is also played in a ground. Golf. Golf need much bigger area. जिसमें कि हम hit करते हैं ball को and the ball goes up and it need lot of big area. This is badminton. A badminton needs a court. Okay, a big court to play. This is polo. In a polo, see, horse is there and this person is hitting this ball with the help of this rod. So this game also need a lot of space. Volleyball. Volleyball में क्या होता है? There are two teams in which 11 players are there and they play volleyball. Basketball also need a court, a big court, and two teams are there. So this is also an outdoor game. Cycling. In cycling we need, definitely cycling is an outdoor activity. So it is an outdoor game. So children, keep in mind, games that we play outside the house are called outdoor games. We should not push each other while playing. Children, you should be fair, and if you are not winning, so this doesn't mean that you should push each other while playing. Okay, be fair and accept your defeat if you are not able to win. Okay, do not play on the road. Children, we should keep safety in mind while playing outdoor games. So we should not play on the road. Always play in the playground. Now tell us, tick on the sport gear that you use to play cricket. So children, sport gears mean what things are required to play cricket. So in cricket, football is not needed, volleyball is not needed, badminton, this racket and shuttle is not needed. We play cricket with bat and ball. So put tick here. In this way, you have to finish this part. Now children, come to page number 26 and we have to do this activity, fun to do. Tick on the game which you cannot play when it rains outside. Children, chess, as you know, is an indoor game. So we can play when it rains. Okay, so and this cricket. For cricket, cricket is an outdoor game. So we cannot play cricket when it rains outside. So you have to put tick here. Write O for outdoor and I for indoor games. So now you know which is indoor game and which is outdoor game. So snakes and ladder is an indoor game. So you have to write I like this. Cricket is an outdoor game. Ludo is an indoor game. And volleyball is an outdoor game. So write like this. For football also, football is an outdoor game. Chess is an indoor game. Badminton is an outdoor game and carom board is an indoor game. In this way, children, you have to finish this fun to do activity. So enjoy doing this and read these lessons twice. One for yourself and one for me. Okay. Make your videos on it and then send it to me.